place where they told you what to chase.
Most welcome once again, lovers, to my YouTube channel, The Foco Media. Today I decided to show you how you can add page numbers on your Microsoft Word document, both Romans and numbers. Now, this is one of the articles that I have published on my website, thefocomedia.com, and I'm going to use this article to show you how you can add multiple pages in your Microsoft Word document. Now this is one page, so I'm going to duplicate this article so that we will have like 7 or 8 pages. Now I'm going to select or Ctrl A. After selecting, I do Ctrl C to copy. After copying, we come to this second page, then I paste it there. After that, I continue pasting till we are now having 80 pages. After having 80 pages, you are seeing it here. We are having 9 pages. So if you want to add pages in your Microsoft Word document, you have to separate your Word document into 2 different sections. Now we are going to use 3 pages, starting from the first page up to this page number 3. This will be Roman numbers and the remaining ones will be numbers. Yes, now we are going to click on the third page because we want to make first 3 pages the Roman numbers. Then after clicking on the third page, we are going to come on layout. We click there. We are going to find blacks here, so we are going to click on blacks. After clicking on blacks, we are going to click here the next page, insert a section black and start new section on the next page. After clicking there, which means this page is in a new section. Hope you understand. From page number 4 up to page number 9, it's one section, and from page number 1 up to page number 3, it's another section. Now we are going to click here at the end of page 3. Then we click on insert. After clicking on insert, we are going to come here and select page numbers. Then here you can insert page numbers on the top of a page. Here you can insert page numbers at the bottom of the page. Me, I like using these bottom pages. Now you are going to select one of this. These are multiple pages, default pages. Now you can select one you want. Now let me select this one. So after selecting this, I close the footer. Now the pages are already there. From the first one, it's 1. You are seeing it here. Continuing down, having page 2, page 3, page 4, up to page 9. So now what we are going to do, we are going to come on page number 3 here. Then we come to insert. After coming to insert, we go to page numbers. Now we are going to format page numbers. We click there. Then we select here Roman numbers. After selecting Roman numbers, now these pages will be renamed Roman numbers. You see here, this is the first page, I, which is 1. This is the second page, which is 2, and the third page, which is 3. Now when you go to the fourth page is 4, like this, and 5th like this, 7 like this. All they are by numbers. Now we are going to format starting from 1. Hence this 4th page will be 1. Now we are going to click here at the end of this page 4 document. Now we are going to insert. We go to page numbers. We go to format page numbers. Now here we are going to select, of course, 1, 2, 3 numbers, but you click on start by 1. You write 1, then you click on OK, which means now this is 1 and this one is 2, this one is 3, this one is 4, and the last one is page 5. Now these ones, the document is now starting from page I, which is 1 Roman, this one is 2 Roman, this one is 3 Roman. Now after that you go to page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6 of course. So thank you guys for watching this video till the end, and if you have enjoyed this video, subscribe, and if you want me to show you anything else, you can put it in a comment. I will always come after. Thank you so much.